What's up guys? It's Saturday morning. It's a lazy Saturday and we don't know what to do. Pre, mga alas 2 pa kayo? Kakain? Anyway, it's a Saturday. It's a nice weather outside. We should be outside right now, hiking, surfing. Look. Look at outside. It's a nice clear sky. Pagka ganito dapat nasa labas. Enjoy life. Enjoy Hawaii. I've been asking people to go on a hike today, but they said no. Mga ayaw mag-hike, mga tamad. Boring. So instead of being outside, this is what we do. Walking Dead. Ay, what a boring life. This is the boring vlog. You know, if you live in Hawaii, you should be outside hiking, surfing, swimming, fishing. Pre, we live in Hawaii. If you live in Hawaii, pre, you should be doing adventure.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, I'm back. Mukhang walang mangyayari ngayong Sabadong ito. Okay, we're just gonna go to Pumis today. I don't know what time. It's almost 1 now. What is life? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. No more.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
Any food? If you guys live in Hawaii, what would you guys do? So comment below. Okay, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat. What's up guys? Let's welcome another person dito sa vlog squad natin. Ito yung payaman squad namin.
Welcome to our vlog. Welcome to our channel. Spicy garlic shrimp.
Okay guys, so we're back again here in Pumis. This is the vlog life. So lahat sila mga nakahipon. Ako lang po yung hindi dahil ako yung allergic sa hipon. So the best thing about Pumis is we get discounts dito sa North Shore because we're from here. We're like locals.
Ito lang. Hinihingi lang dito yung $1. Pilipinas makikipagpatayan pa sa 20.
Galante talaga si Mayor eh. Yaman.
Yan naman yung pakilmat mo. Napaka-kulit.
50. Anyway, patapos na kaming kumain. Ay, init! LOL! Alang, galaw. Home sweet home! Okay na ako. Alright, thank you guys. Saan? Para saan yan? Social Studies? Okay, this is the behind the scenes sa pictorial ni Bianca. Anong project to? Bakit may mga ganyan-ganyan? Community service. Community service daw. Kailangan makita na nagagamas ng damo. Ayun yung dalawa behind the scene.
Meron na.
Send ko kaya to sa teacher mo. Community service daw. Diyan naggamas sa gilid. LOL. Ay, ang init. Okay, here we go guys. Finally, I'm gonna go on a hike. So I got my friend with me. He's Tongan. He's from Tonga. Yeah, he agreed to go and hike with me today because he wants to fly his drone. Water. You know, when you go hike, it's always better to be ready. I have some snacks, water. Okay, I think I'm ready. Forgot my shoes. We have to drive 30 minutes from here, from our home. Alright guys, so we're now on the way to Crouching Lion. I'm with my friend Hamoni here. He's a big dude, so don't mess with me because he's gonna mess you up. Just kidding, he's a nice guy. Alright guys, we just got here. Guys, so Hamoni, he's the CEO of Ati Kapu. So if you guys looking to buy Polynesian design shirts, yeah, visit his website. So just click the link below. Right? So click the link below and you can go and buy shirts to his website. Okay guys, we've only been hiking for like 2 minutes and my legs are killing me. Only been 2 minutes. Only been 2 minutes. And ganito na agad yung view. We're gonna go up more. Alright, so they said we are like 10 minutes away to the top. Not bad. 10 more minutes and we'll be on the top. Look at that. It's a great view. Right, well the funny thing is we went hike earlier this year, April, in Makua Cave in West Point. And then I saw them there hiking with us. Or not with us, but I saw them like hiking there too. And now we're hiking again and then I see them again. Life, that's how small Hawaii is. Small Hawaii. Alright, well, thank you guys. I'll see ya. Oh boy. So they said we're like 10 minutes away. Yeah, I dragged my friend to go hike with me. That's where we're going. Yeah, that's where we are going. That's the target. That's the goal. Tired already? You see the view? You guys see that? This is in Hawaii. This is why I'm lucky to be here in Hawaii. Pero pag uwi ko ng Pinas, I'm also gonna do a lot of hiking there. Nice. So this is the top, yeah? Yeah, we guys now on the top. But maybe that one next time. Next time when we're back in shape, because right now we're not in shape for hiking. Getting stronger. It's too windy, man. Okay, so he's flying his drone now, and me, I'm not sure. I don't know. I'm not good at flying drone. I already lost my first drone. Happy drone flying. This is what I really like here. Crouching Lion is like one of my favorite hike. I think 2 weeks ako sa Hawaii noong 2014 nang mag-hike ako dito. And so far, nothing's changed. Maganda pa rin. It's what it was like 4 years ago. Hawaii is just a small paradise, man. There are people hiking too. They're like late already.
Those guys are scared to come up.
Because we're here.
Okay, it's on a tree.
It's on a tree. Can you see the location?
Yeah. It's time to find you.
Okay, we're gonna go hiking again. How far is it?
Doesn't seem. So that's us. That's the drone.
Oh, it's like see the water? Is that a bridge or?
Oh.
Okay, let's start going down and then we'll see. Okay, so ngayon, we're like rushing. Oh, you're wet. Okay, we're like rushing to go down para mahanap yung drone nung kasama ko. Bumagsak yung drone niya kasi nag-malfunction and then naubos yung battery. So, try namin hanapin yung drone. It's expensive. Kaya kailangan mahanap namin yung drone niya before magdilim. Ay, ang dulas! Nasa taas pa rin kami ng bundok. Kaya we're like hiking down because yung drone niya is nalaglag somewhere on that side. If you can see like all those, yung papasok na yon sa may buhanginan, doon na banda nalaglag yung drone. So sana lang mahanap pa namin yun. I feel bad. I feel bad for my friend kung mawala yung drone because you spent like $1,000 for that one and then mawawala lang. So that's a lot of money. So Moni, what would happen if you can't find your drone anymore? You're gonna buy one?
No.
Just buy a replacement and don't tell her, yeah? How many percent was that? 50.
It was like running out so fast.
I think it's because of the wind. Yeah guys, it was really windy today. Okay, so we are now back on the road. We're heading to the drone now. Watch the sign, watch the sign. Alright, no police. There's no police. Woo-hoo-hoo! Gotta cross the road. Okay guys, we are now on a search for the missing drone. So we're doing another hike up the hill. Oh, wait. Where is it? Oh, the drone is here. Did it break any arm? It looks good.
No, it didn't. What the heck?
Yeah, dude, it still looks good.
Nothing wrong.
Yeah, we can fly it again. Well, I'll change the battery first. Alright guys, good news. The drone is alive. Alright, let's go back. Okay guys, I just got home from the hike. From a really short hike. It's a quite interesting day. Day with some drama. Drone drama. And get ready for the evening. Alexa, lights on. Nice. Benefits ng living in the US. Gadgets are cheap. Affordable. Kung gusto mo ng iPhone, Mag-work ka lang ng 1 week, may iPhone ka na. Pilipinas, gusto mo ng iPhone? Work ka ng 3 months, kulang pa.